Hey guys, it's Sony W. I got myself 75 feet of this expanding garden hose and I absolutely love it. I can put it in a pot like that instead of having to deal with a heavy duty reel like this. This is probably like a 10, 15-year-old garden hose. I hate it because it just hurts us putting this thing back. Not very convenient, unlike this expanding garden hose, which basically just expands when you add water to it and water pressure. So lightweight, so easy to maneuver. 75 feet goes around the house to wherever you need it, and it's so compact. I can just put it in a garden pot to hide it, not have to deal with this old plastic reel thing that's breaking apart anyways. I hide it in pots so I don't have to see it. I can actually drill a hole in the pot and just run the garden hose in it. Now seeing it expand is pretty interesting. It's like it just inflates with water pressure, which is nice. The water pressure of the hose is actually pretty good. I don't know if it's less or more, but it feels this is exactly the same as my other garden hose. So maybe it's just water pressure of my house. But it has a shut-off switch on the front where the metal is, so that you can actually switch out the head, or if you just want to inflate the hose so that it's full weight. You basically just turn on that little shut-off. Now I use these 3-gallon pots, and I basically just drill a hole to the side to have it lead out so it could tap onto the regular water spout. So pretty cool, very easy to do, and there you have it. That is about it. I love the 75-foot one, and like I said, 75-foot fits in this 3-gallon pot. Anyways guys, this is Tony W. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.